Hello to you. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this. Yes, my bomb pumpkin punch. And I know you will love this mixture and you will definitely try it at home. I can tell you, it's really, really good. Yes, it is. And I'm having this for my breakfast. Total meal right now, and it's a good thing to make for those who are always on the go, quick and easy, but yet it will give you the added nutrients that you want, especially to start your day. It gives you potassium, magnesium, protein. It will also boost your energy levels for the morning, so you should try this pumpkin punch. Yes, and remember to eat healthy, friends. Live healthy and be happy. Today I'm going to make for you my pumpkin punch, and right here I have my container. And the first thing that we need is the pumpkin, and you can see I have my pumpkin here boiled nicely, and I am just going to take a piece of my pumpkin here and add it to my container. And you have to make sure that you boil your pumpkin to a soft texture, and then you will add it. Here's my pumpkin, nice. Gonna take off another piece of it and add it, and that's my pumpkin. And then after I add my pumpkin, as you can see, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of raw peanuts. Just gonna add it right there. And then another tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and I had it there. Then my gluten-free oats. This is the oats I use, old-fashioned gluten-free oats. And then I will also add 1 tablespoon of this. So I'm making enough for 1 serving, just 1 cup, okay? And then I have a little bit of cashew. I'm going to add that as well. A few cashews. And then right here I have my ginger. So this is organic ginger juice, and you can make your own as well. And I will add 2 tablespoons, and this is pretty strong, so I'll just add 2 tablespoons of that. And then I will add my coconut milk. This should be really good, and this is just enough for 1 cup. One thing though, I love my pumpkin punch on the warmer side, so I will use the warm water to also make the milk. All right, and then I will add my agave nectar. As you can see right here, this is the sweetener that I use. So I will add, so after I add my agave nectar, 2 tablespoons to the mix, I will then add a little bit of my hemp protein. You see, so I will add a little bit of my hemp protein right here from hemp seed. And with this, the mix is strong, so I will just put a little bit in it, and that's about half of a teaspoon. I will just put a little bit in it to add to that, and then I will then blend this mix. And here is my pumpkin punch all ready. And I can tell you that this is tasting really good. And here is it. Nice texture as you can see, and you will love this recipe. Now if you don't have your hemp protein, you can add any other protein. You just dust it in and it will be good anyways. All right, and I'm gonna now have this for my breakfast, as I have not yet had anything. So as you can see, really good. So remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and be happy. So stay tuned and stay connected until the next video. All right, make up your pumpkin punch and reap great benefits.